Numbers can have interesting patterns. In the course we have covered most common patterns and how they are made. A sequence is a set of things, usually numbers, that are in order. Please see the display. Example: a sequence is defined by x subscript n is equal to 3 multiplied by n take away 1, where n is the number of terms, such as n is equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on. Work out the first 6 terms. Let's do this. First term, where n is equal to 1. Let's consider the expression x subscript n is equal to 3n take away 1. Let's replace n with 1. We get x subscript 1 is equal to 3 multiplied by 1 take away 1. This gives us 2. Second term, where n equals 2. By substituting n into the expression, we get the second term is equal to 5. Third term, where n is equal to 3. The third term is 8. Fourth term, where n is equal to 4, is 11. The fifth term, where n is equal to 5, is 14. And the sixth term, where n is equal to 6, is 17. Let's look at another example. Find the 12th term of an arithmetic sequence displayed on the screen, where the first term is 5 and the common difference is of 5. Nth term is equal to x plus, bracket open, n minus 1, bracket closed, multiplied by d, where n is the number of terms, x is a constant, d is the common difference, where d is equal to 5. Let's put these values that we know into the expression. First term is 5, which is equal to x, the constant, plus, bracket open, 1 minus 1, bracket closed, multiplied by 5. We can now solve this for x, and x is equal to 5. Let's just go back to the arithmetic sequence expression. We can now input the value for x, like this. And now we can find the 12th term, where n equals 12. Let's put in the value for n, and we get 5 plus, bracket open, 12, take away 1, bracket closed, multiplied by 5. We can simplify this, and the 12th term is 60.